Hey, what's up everyone? Been a while since had a video up on the Camaro. Been pretty busy with school and work, but I got this whole month of December to really hammer out. So I have been pretty busy the last week though on getting these quarter panels to fit. They are pretty old, I imagine, because the car was sitting for about 15 years, and these parts came with it, so I'm sure that these are an old stamp. They have been hell to fit. Nothing easy about them. I've been having to stretch them, and it's just been a nightmare. But I picked up a really cool tip from a guy in a Camaro group on Facebook. His name's Juby. He's down in Georgia. I ran into a big problem with the gapping on these suckers. It was over. I think it was about a ½ inch gapping in between here, and I couldn't bring this over any further. So he had a good idea. A lot of people say splice on this line, put weld sticks in here, bring your line over and weld through, but I didn't have to do that in this case. I got it kind of rigged up over here because I've been taking the quarters on and off, but get close to final fitment, and take a ratchet strap and you put it right in that hole down there where the bumper is, peel it over top, and then hook it to the support brace there and crank it. This thing comes all the way over, and then I just put a screw in to hold it, and it just tightened all this up. I hardly even have it clamped back there. I just had one in there just to kind of hold it, but I just got to do some additional work through here to kind of like bring these two in and make it nice and flush, but we're getting there. This one kind of sits back a little bit in there, so I'm gonna pull this out a little bit. And yeah, original RS tail panel with new fenders, so the fitment's not gonna exactly be ideal, but I've been stretching the hell out of this metal. The deck lid's just sitting in there right now, but it's pretty clean. The only thing I didn't like about this AMD deck lid is they cut it a little short in here. You can see that. So I'm gonna have to fill that with some weld. This one too. I haven't got it clamped. I unclamped it, but it tidies it up a little bit. But there's still kind of, you can see where they cut it short. But the guys in the Camaro group said it's pretty normal with that deck lid, so nothing a welder can't fix. So I've been marking all my spot welds and everything, so I'm about to take this quarter off, and it's nice down here on the rocker. Got it all clamped up down here too. That was a pain in the ass. This side was hard as hell to get clamped together, and this side over here fit a hell of a lot better. I don't get it, but I guess that's what you get with aftermarket panels. You can see through here, I got this all done up, clamped up as well, sitting on the rocker, nice and flush. This one was a hell of a lot better to fit, but getting there, man. It's been one hell of a ride with this car so far. I'm about to really get into it here now though. I got everything mocked up with the wheel tubs and all the quarters. So some good things are about to come here shortly. So I'm gonna get this thing rolling, and more to come.